Introduce short picture overview of TOPBULL 4K dash cam, front and rear, UHD 2160p dual car dashboard camera, recorder with Wi-Fi, GPS, WDR night vision, Sony sensor, SD card included, G sensor. 170 wide angle, 3-inch IPS screen, speed warning. You enter R here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.